Today I'll be talking about the difference between Montessori schools versus public schools. One major difference between Montessori schools and a traditional school is that classes are mixed age. They put kids in groups by their developmental age. In a traditional school, kids are placed in the same class based on their age within a 12-month span. Montessori schools have a lot more hands-on approach when it comes to learning, while traditional schools focus more on memorization and repetition. In a Montessori school, the teacher helps each kid learn at their own pace, while in traditional schools, teachers have pre-planned classes and forces all children to work at the same speed. Montessori schools put the focus on independence and self-regulation at a much younger age than in public school. Public school teaches kids to listen and follow what their teachers say, leaving very little room for kids to make their own choices.